few of us, we actually started the business selling connectivity devices and accessories for computers. We felt that, well, there's something missing. We really wanted to bring joy back to people's life.
So that's how we call the company the Joy Factory, and that has been the driving force for everything we do moving forward.
It starts with our belief system. We believe in each other. We believe in the purpose of our work. Our leadership here is fully invested into the people, into the work we do.
I don't think one size fits all will work in the business environment. Every business have their own unique process.
So because our products are so modular, it gives us the ability to break them down into separate components and recreate into new products that provide solutions to new challenges.
At the Joy Factory, it's super clear to me, we're focused on the end customer that's using the products.
Our leadership has clearly stated that the purpose of our work goes beyond growing just the business.
How do we solve the problem in a way that customers not only improving their productivity, I think changing their life in a positive way?
It's understand the need and the pain point of our customers.
It's about how we connect with partners, how we connect with customers, and at the end of the day, how they will be elated with using the solutions.
We have a particular client that uses our products for people with communication disabilities. And so it allows them the ability to communicate via a tablet. It makes us very proud that we have the ability to give them the tools that they need.
Just knowing that we're helping the people protect their tablets, it makes me feel proud, that we're doing something for this world.
Joy to me means happiness.
It's an enduring attitude of heart and spirit.
We have a vision and we just keep running to it, no turning back.
It's built into the culture.
Joy is being myself and bringing my whole self to work.
The Joy Factory is a group of happy people making people happy.